my god, look at it. It's so beautiful. What's going on, guys? It's me, Shaun here, and I'm on a boat. Look at it. I'm on a boat. So I'm on a boat by myself. We're out here in Alaska at Otter Lake. It's pretty fun. This thing, it gets tiring after a while, but I'm just here. This is basically a roundup, but because we haven't been on the channel for, I think, 2 weeks, about 2 weeks. I haven't uploaded a video, but I'm sorry if the sun's kind of in the way, but yeah, I'm gonna try to get some footage of here, and I hope you guys enjoy the video, and thank you guys for watching. Now on to the video. Okay guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video. It was pretty fun, kind of tiring, but you get the idea. It was a pretty cool experience. I mean, I've done this before, but I just like coming out here in the water, and it's so peaceful and sunny. See it. But yeah, that's gonna be pretty much it for this video. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next gaming video. Deuces!